Is this giant sphere in Bosnia the key to discovering an ancient civilization? When archaeologists study the past, more often than not, they're looking for different kinds of clues as to how ancient civilizations lived, worked, and entertained themselves. Surprisingly, some of what they find actually doesn't end up being all that much different from how we live today. That being said, the real thrill of studying archaeology lies within the discovery of things that are totally unexpected. When a group of scientific experts in Bosnia were recently called in to investigate a strange artifact lying deep in the forest, what they found was most definitely a surprise. Do you think that you could survive during ancient times? Let us know in the comments below. And then don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for more. The spherical object located in the forest of Zavidovici, Bosnia, was approximately 5 feet in diameter and appeared to be made mostly out of iron. Nobody was quite sure what the object was or what its purpose may have been, but one researcher named Samir Osmanagic had a strange theory, and he was dying to find out if it was accurate. According to Samir, the sphere wasn't just an interesting artifact, but quite possibly the key to unlocking the secrets of an ancient civilization. His colleagues were skeptical about his theory, but Samir continued to remain steadfast in his belief that the mysterious relic was over 1,500 years old. He claimed that spheres like these were commonly found in the 1970s, but that they'd recently become more rare because people destroyed them in hopes of finding gold or other valuables. Unfortunately for Samir, this wasn't the first time that one of his wild theories made local headlines. Known as the Bosnian Indiana Jones, Samir had developed quite a reputation for making outrageous claims over the years. While he was confident that the sphere had been created by other human beings, his contemporaries, on the other hand, were not so sure. Most of them believed that the object may not have been man-made at all. One expert, Dr. Mandy Edwards of Manchester University, believed that the sphere was actually formed by precipitation of natural mineral cement within the spaces between sediment grains, better known as the process of concretion. Despite all this, Samir still pushed his theory that the object may have come from secret pyramids that were buried deep beneath the Bosnian hills. In an attempt to prove it, he even began a large excavation process in the forest and soon claimed that he had found some ancient bricks and mortar underground. However, not long after he began his search, the European Association of Archaeologists issued a statement proclaiming the pyramid theory to be a hoax. The statement caused many of Samir's backers to withdraw their support of the pyramid project. However, even if the sphere really was the product of concretion, that didn't make it any less mysterious than if it had indeed been left behind by an ancient civilization. Unfortunately, since scientists are yet to fully understand the concretion process, the mystery object still remains an essential point of study to this day. Is this strange artifact really the key to understanding an ancient civilization? Or is it just a scientific anomaly? You be the judge. Do you think that Samir might be onto something? Let us know in the comments section below. And then take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more.